So figured I would do my nighttime skincare routine. Not gonna lie, it's been a while since I've actually done it. I am in the kitchen, so I just realized I will have to pause this to go wash and scrub my face. But when I come back, I will be doing the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask mixed with some apple cider vinegar. But first, let's go ahead and take off the day's makeup. And obviously I had to throw my hair in a bun. It was driving me bananas. I'm actually surprised I left it down as long as I did today. I'm getting better. I want to start wearing my hair down more because I feel prettier when my hair is down. It's just, you know, having a kid, it is just so much easier to throw your hair up in a bun and call it a day. I don't know how well I got my eyelashes. Okay, all the makeup's off. I'm gonna go quickly wash my face, scrub my face, and I will be right back. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm going to mix some of this stuff together. Does this have a scoop? I can't remember. No. I'm gonna go grab something to use as a scoop and I'll be right back. Okay. Got a little scooper. I don't want to do too much. But I don't know. I don't want to waste it, you know? I don't know. Does that seem like it's enough? I don't know if I want to go all up here. Maybe I'll just do like the bottom half of my face. It just says to pour, mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar. Whoa, it's like really bubbling up. Ugh. Oh, it does not smell good. Ugh. I think it's definitely the apple cider vinegar. Oops. Ugh. Maybe I should have just stuck with water. I know apple cider vinegar is like got so many health benefits and everything, but I do not like the smell of this at all. I'm just trying to make sure I get it all. A lot of any lumps in there. Looks good to me. Ugh. I have to really clean the table after this. Alright. I'm gonna have to use my hands for this. I'll try and stick with, feels really moussey. I'm gonna use my mirror here, so if I'm not looking up there, I'm sorry. Oh, it smells so bad. Ugh, I don't like the smell of this at all. This is gonna sound gross, but I'm not even kidding. I would rather smell my kids' puke than to smell this. The smell of the apple cider vinegar. And I know that that's what it is because I've done this mask before with water, and the mask did not stink. Trying so hard not to get it too close to my eyes, and I feel like my eyes are like kind of watering already. You know what? I'll put a little bit up top. Why not? I haven't done a mask in forever. My skin could use it. Alright, now it says to wait. It says let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. I would say that I have normal skin, so I think what I'm going to do is go wash my hand, and then I'll just stop the video here, set a timer on my phone for about 20 minutes, and then come back on before I take this off so you guys can see it, and we'll go from there. I still have about 15 minutes left, and it feels weird to move my face because it's almost fully dry. I still smell the apple cider vinegar. Not my favorite, not gonna lie. Oh man, I have an itch literally right here, right where there's stuff, but I have to get it. Oh. Of course, now like my whole nose itches. But I'm gonna like bring you guys in and see if you can see it's starting to, don't mind how gross my ear looks. I have psoriasis in my ears as well. I tend to pick at it a lot. I know that's really bad, but just don't judge me. I can't help it. But you can tell it is starting to crack a little bit. I haven't felt any pulsating yet, but I know it will happen because I've used this mask before and with just water. So we'll see the results once the time is up. But I'm gonna wait out the maybe 13 minutes left, and then I will come right back to you guys. Okay, it's officially been 20 minutes. My face hurts. Oh my god. It hurts. I feel like I'm made out of clay. Or I feel like a lizard with like really rough skin, you know? I remind myself of somebody when I make that face. Okay, it really hurts like right here. So I'm gonna go rinse this off with warm water. I think that's what it said to do. Let me double check so I don't mess my face up permanently. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. It removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing. It says it's the world's most powerful facial. Even says, men love it too. I should make my fiance do this. Alright. I am going to get this off my face, and I will be right back. Yes, I'm still dripping wet. That was a process. Oh my god. It like especially hurt to get it off around the eyes, so definitely avoid putting it even like up here. Stay down here with that. Oh, let me look. You can see where I'm red here. Definitely the side of my nose. Ew, it's like in my nose. I'm not saying it doesn't work. Works really good. But that's the last time I'm using that mask for quite some time. And you know, I really should have left those tweezers up here when I was doing my other video because my brows definitely need to be plucked. And that is a task I hate doing. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Super Aqua Ultra Waterfall Active Toner. Love this stuff. Just dab a little bit onto my hand. A little on the table apparently. I don't think you guys can tell, but I also need to like shave my stash area. I will totally own up to that. I am one of those girls that I will shave my mustache area. Some people say don't do it, it'll grow back in, you know, darker or thicker. I've literally never had that problem in my life, and I've been doing it since like high school. So now I'm going in with my Medi Heal Intensive Hydrating Serum, which I also really love. And as you can see, it's a thicker serum. It's not super liquidy, which is what I like about it, because you can tell it really does hydrate the skin. I could be wrong, but I feel like I hear my child downstairs, which he'd be fine because my fiance's down there, but I feel like with my luck he woke up and he's looking for me. Oh, now I'm going to take my Super Aqua Ultra Waterfall Eye Treatment, also by that Misha brand. Let's take the tiniest little amount. I'm telling you guys, like, these products, after I use them, my face has literally never felt better. That's why I need to be on a better schedule where if I'm not doing it every single night, I need to at least be doing it, you know, every other night or at least several times a week, which I was for a while. It's hard to keep up with sometimes as a mom. Oh, and then for my night cream, I just go in with the L'Oreal Hydrogenius for extra dry skin. It's a really super thick moisturizer, which is what I love about it. Has a nice smell to it. It's not overpowering. almost completes my full skincare routine. I'm going to go in my Eugenergine. It's pretty much gone now, but I always have this spot right here of psoriasis. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit there where, you know, my psoriasis likes to pop up on me. I'll add a little bit here where you guys can kind of see it. Also over here. And I have this spot right here. And I do take this and put it in my ears sometimes, which I'm doing right now, because I saw my ears get pretty crusty and gross looking, and that can be embarrassing if you're, you know, standing close to somebody and they happen to like see inside your ear and they're like, what's wrong with your ear? Like, it happened to me one time when I was working at Applebee's, my friend Joby, and he didn't mean it in any like ignorant way, but like he was like, what's wrong with your ear? And I was like, it's psoriasis. Like, I know it looks weird. It's like all scaly and gross, but I was like, I can't help it. It's just psoriasis. And he was just like, oh, okay. Like, you know, he didn't ask in an ignorant way. He was just like, dude, like, why is your ear all weird? And I was like, well, I've suffered from psoriasis since I was like 10 or 12 or something. Used to only be on my scalp, and then the reason my hairline isn't like it should be, the reason it's like so far back, which is always embarrassing to me that I have like a receding hairline, is because of my psoriasis. It used to be so bad and thick right here. I mean, I was young, so I would constantly like claw, and eventually just made me lose hair there. And then it slowly, like, I got it a little bit on my forehead, and I have it here. I'll show you guys. I'm not embarrassed. I have it here, here, even right here by my belly button ring, which really bothers me when it's really bad. It's like right by the top hole where my belly button ring goes in. But I just lather myself in this, and all of this goes away very, very, very quickly. So I like to have that stuff on hand. It's like a miracle cream in my eyes. But that was my nighttime skincare routine, including a painful mask that I have not done in a long time. I don't think I'm going to compile this with the video I did earlier. That was already like a 40-minute video of me going through my makeup and trying to organize it, kind of. So I guess I'll just make this a separate video. Yeah, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to go make sure my child is still sleeping, take some Benadryl so that I can get tired enough to go to sleep, and throw these videos together, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Good night!